Hello, welcome to shorthand classes. In this class, let us discuss about chapter 3, intervening vowels and position. In the earlier videos, we had already discussed about unit 1, chapter 1, consonants, and chapter 2, vowels. Intervening vowels and position concept little bit I discussed in the previous video while I'm teaching vowels. In this video, let me explain briefly about this particular concept. So here you can see intervening vowels and position. It is chapter 3 in shorthand. Okay, those who don't have textbook, I suggest you all to quickly buy this textbook from Amazon or any online platform or any bookstore. So open page number 14 in the textbook. See the first line, intervening vowels. So in general terms, what do you mean by intervening vowels? Intervening. Intervening means the person or the thing which comes in between. Suppose two people are talking. Third person will come and intervene between those two persons and disturb those two persons' conversation. So here what do we say? We'll tell don't intervene between us. So this is the intervening. In the same manner, here in shorthand we have intervening concept which tells us that first and second place vowel signs which occurring between two strokes. Okay, there may be two strokes like this stroke and this stroke. Example, okay, the first and second place vowel signs when occurring between two strokes are written after the first stroke. After P, if the first place vowel is coming, that should be written here. Got it? You know already. If the second place vowel is coming, that should be written in the middle, in the second place. Following side I am talking about. Now, thus like talk, you can see in talk, the first place vowel is A, which is a first place vowel will be represented with heavy dash that I am writing after T first place, and the T should be written above the line. Okay, I'll tell in the further steps. Gate, in gate you can able to hear A as a second place vowel. That's why I have to write on the line. On the line T should be written, and after G vowel is coming. So after G, here I kept that vowel. Okay, if you are able to see, here I kept that vowel. Got it? You can see here this one. Got it? Now the rule is third place vowel signs are written before the second stroke at the end because the vowel sign is more conveniently written in that place. Here, simple. When you try to write the third place vowel after first stroke, you will be writing here. Okay, in this position. Am I right? In this position, you will be writing. But what he is telling, we should not write that particular vowel here. What happens if you write it is intervening, it gives you awkward joinings and all, awkward representation. So what I can do, simply I can shift that particular vowel which should be kept here to next stroke. Okay, ఇక్కడ ఉండాల్సిన vowel నేను దాన్ని నెక్స్ట్ vowelకి షిఫ్ట్ నెక్స్ట్ స్ట్రోక్కి షిఫ్ట్ చేసేస్తా. సో ద నెక్స్ట్ స్ట్రోక్ ఈస్ కే, రైట్? కే. వాట్ ఈస్ ద third place vowel of K preceding side? This is first place, second place, third place. As you all know, this is preceding, this is following. Got it? Now following side, first place, second place, third place. Now what I am telling, the first stroke following side third place vowel should be shifted to next stroke preceding side. Okay, preceding side third place. Here for K third place is this only, right? Here we need to put that vowel. Simple. Let's see one example here. D. Got it? Let me write and show for you. Got it? D. In D, what are the vowels which we can see? We have D, which is heavy stroke, and M, which is light stroke. That's it. We have D and M. Two strokes we have here. So here, the first sounded vowel we have to see. Whenever you take any word, we need to see the first sounded vowel. There may be any vowels in a particular word, but we need to see only the first sounded vowel. In this D, E is the first sounded vowel. Now you see, what is the place of that vowel? That vowel, it is third place vowel. So whenever you get third place vowel, where we need to write? We need to write through the line. This thing you know. So which stroke to be written through the line? We have two strokes here, D and M. So which stroke I need to write through the line? ఈ రెండిట్లో ఏ స్ట్రోక్ నేను త్రూ ద లైన్ రాయాలి? ఐ నీడ్ టు టేక్ ద ఫస్ట్ అప్ స్ట్రోక్ ఆర్ డౌన్ స్ట్రోక్. ఓకే, మనకి చాలా లెటర్స్ ఉంటాయి, చాలా కాన్సనెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి, బట్ అందులో మనము ఫస్ట్ అప్ స్ట్రోక్ ఉందా లేదా చూసుకోవాలి మనం, తర్వాత డౌన్ స్ట్రోక్ ఉందా లేదా చూసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, ఆరిజెంటల్ స్ట్రోక్ ఉందనుకోండి వీటిని తీసుకోవద్దు, డౌన్ స్ట్రోక్ ఉంటే తీసుకోవాలి, అప్ స్ట్రోక్ ఉంటే వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్. ఓకే, first and foremost you should see whether the first stroke, starting stroke is up stroke or down stroke. Okay, here the first stroke is D, so this D we need to write through the line. Got it? The first, I told we have to write through the line. So which stroke we need to write through the line? We need to write first up stroke or down stroke. Here the first up stroke is down stroke is D, so I can write this D through the line to the D without lifting pen or pencil. I should write M. Got it? So now you see, after D, this is first place, second place, third place. The vowel should come here, but I won't put here because it is intervening. I will shift that vowel to next stroke, preceding side, third place. Here I'll put that heavy dot. That became D. Got it? No doubts, right? Now you can see this example. After that we have dim. We have dim. You can see here that vowel they kept here. After D, third place vowel will be shifted to next stroke, preceding side. Read we have, okay, upward R D. Okay, it should be written through the line because the first vowel is E, through the line, third place vowel. So R tarvata first place, second place, third place, that should come here, but it is intervening. So what I'll do, next stroke D hai na, so to the D preceding side, third place will put that vowel. Got it? Pull, pull, these are all examples, just practice. So I request you all to practice each example, each outline. Okay, in shorthand we'll call this complete as outline. This outline, five lines, minimum 5 lines, okay, maximum 8 to 10 lines. Okay, so if you want to become perfect, you need to practice more, right? So practice more, but minimum is 5 lines is enough. Okay, now the vowel sign is still in the third place only. So don't think that vowel shifted, so vowel place got changed. It is still in third place only. First read D, after that read third place vowel here, after that read M. Simple. First read D, now read this place vowel, after that read M. In this manner you should go. Got it? You could see here TK, KP, RP, MK, KR. You can see these examples, numbering system and all. Now we'll see compound words. Compound words means there will be two words, like sometimes one word will come, okay, hyphen will come, again one word will come, another word will come. So these hyphens, it is like intervening, like dividing two words. So we should not divide these two words and write. So ఇది సింగిల్గా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏ విధంగా రాస్తామో అదే విధంగా రాసుకోవాలి, ఇది సింగిల్గా ఏ విధంగా ఉంటుందో అదే విధంగా రాసేసుకోవాలి. సో వెన్ వీఆర్ రైటింగ్ దిస్ వర్డ్ in single format, how it looks like that, only we should write this also in the same manner we should write, but just we should join that. So if you see here EARACHE, herek, herek. So in this herek, here how you will write downward R and okay here. Okay, now ek will write like this. Okay, so ear ear ek, just join this, that's it. So these are compound words. Now we'll move to position of outlines. So you know position of outlines, just there are three places in which to put vowel signs. So there are three positions to which in which to write the outlines of the words. So you know there are three positions. When you get first place vowel, where you will write, let me show here.